Discriminating the PH digraph in the middle of the word or at the end of the word. Now remember, digraphs can be found at the beginning or in the middle or at the end of a word. Let's begin practicing the PH digraph from the words in our word bank. The first word is alphabet. Alphabet. Now you repeat the word alphabet. Very good. Asphalt. Asphalt. Autograph. Autograph. Atmosphere. Atmosphere. Dolphin. Dolphin. Catastrophe. Catastrophe. Apostrophe. Apostrophe. Elephant. Elephant. Graph. Graph. Graphic. Graphic. Gopher. Gopher. Geography. Geography. Nephew. Nephew. Orphan. Orphan. Telephone. Telephone. Sphere. Sphere. Very good. We just completed exercise 7, that is focusing on discriminating the PH digraph in the middle of a word or at the end of the word. Very good job.